Hey, it's time to play magazine, and this edition of it we like a lot because it has the pet shop. Now, I got a press release on this item here, and it's called the
Com Carrier.
The Com Carrier. You know, I'm going to get back here with you, and this is Will, and Will's going to tell us about the Com Carrier.
Sure. Well, the idea of the Com Carrier is most cats are very fickle, and they don't want to get in a carrier, and once they're in a carrier, they're not interested in getting out of the carrier.
Oh, they're not interested in either way.
They're not interested in participating in anything, is what it comes down to, right? So the idea...
Cats will never be on game shows.
No, it's up to the cat to come and go as it pleases. And so the idea behind this product is to reduce the stress and the anxiety of putting a cat in a carrier for both the cat and for the human involved in the situation. And we've done that by creating a drawer. And what the drawer does is as the cat is placed on the drawer and as the drawer starts to move, the cat's natural instinct is to hunker down and get in the perfect position to be loaded into the carrier.
Oh, okay. They feel the movement.
That's right.
and
they get down
they crouch.
Position and they slide right on in. Now, as I mentioned, once the animal's in the carrier, it doesn't like to come out of the carrier. They're not used to the smells, the
not electric shock.
Electric shock. We try to avoid that because we're trying to reduce stress and we're trying to promote calmness in the cat. And so, with our Com Carrier, what's going to happen is as the drawer is opened, the cat is there and it's ready for its checkup or to
pick up. Right. Yeah.
Well, it's checkup by the vet. So
the checkup.
So most cats are being put into a carrier to visit the vet. And what we found is in the U.S., almost half of cats aren't going to the vet for preventative health care because it's such a fear and anxiety-inducing experience for both the cat and the owner that cats are only going to the vet when they're symptomatic. Cats are very good at hiding their symptoms, and so it's often too late, or it's a bigger issue than it need be. Okay. So with this product, you want to get your animal to the vet often and early.
Now, what does this retail for?
So the retail is going to be approximately $50. It's not yet on the market. It's going to be in the market in late February, early March 2020.
Oh, okay, so it's
just in time for cat season, kitten season. That's right, exactly.
Okay, and your website is?
www.vanespets.com. The product is made in the United States, and we're very excited about it. It's an innovative item that we've not yet seen in the industry.
Okay, I like the very idea. Com Carrier.
There you go.
And it's coming, as we heard, in the, is it spring? Is that spring? Yeah, early spring. Okay.
Exactly.
I feel calm just standing here.
Yep, I mean, that's my aura.